On a quiet night, as we look up at the sky shimmering with countless stars, a thought often crosses our minds: are we alone in this vast universe? Among the billions of stars and planets, is there not even one other world where life exists, just like Earth? Even if, for a moment, we accept the idea that Earth is the only place with life, the question remains: what is the purpose of these billions of glowing celestial bodies? This question has intrigued humanity for centuries, driving us to search relentlessly for answers. We have invested billions of dollars exploring the possibility of life on other planets. Are there beings out there, and if so, how do they look? How do they live? To seek answers, NASA decided to explore the Moon first, being Earth's closest celestial neighbor. At approximately 384,400 kilometers from Earth, the Moon has been the focus of scientific missions for decades. The journey began in 1968 with the Apollo 8 mission, which marked the first time a spacecraft orbited the Moon and returned to Earth. The spacecraft carried 3 astronauts who spent 68 hours reaching the lunar orbit. Although they didn't encounter anything unusual, they witnessed something breathtaking: Earthrise, the view of Earth appearing over the Moon's horizon. The astronauts captured this historic moment, providing humanity with its first view of Earth from space. A year later, in July 1969, the Apollo 11 mission achieved what was once considered impossible. Commander Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the Moon, famously declaring, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Alongside him, astronaut Buzz Aldrin spent over 2 hours exploring the lunar surface, collecting soil samples, and taking photographs. The absence of wind and atmosphere on the Moon means that their footprints remain intact to this day, frozen in time. Despite these milestones, the search for extraterrestrial life continued. NASA's various missions have yet to find definitive evidence of alien existence. However, satellites orbiting the Moon have sent intriguing photographs, showing unusual structures. Some researchers claim these could be signs of underground alien civilizations. One such researcher, Scott Waring, pointed out images revealing a strange structure resembling a building. When his findings gained attention, subsequent images released by NASA appeared to have no trace of the structure, fueling debates about whether it was edited out or evidence of actual alien activity. The mysteries aren't confined to photographs. Scientists have discovered a massive area on the Moon's far side, hidden from Earth, that differs significantly from the rest of its surface. Measuring over 5,300 square kilometers, this region appears metallic, unlike the lunar soil samples brought back by the Apollo missions. While some experts theorize it resulted from an asteroid impact billions of years ago, others suggest it could be linked to an ancient alien civilization. Moving beyond the Moon, Mars has been another focal point in humanity's search for extraterrestrial life. Often referred to as the Red Planet, Mars is approximately 400 million kilometers away from Earth. However, every 2 years, it comes closer, about 62 million kilometers from Earth, making it a prime target for exploration. Despite the distance, numerous missions have been sent to Mars, with only a few successfully landing. The rovers that landed have sent back thousands of images, sparking discussions among scientists and researchers. One of the most famous images, captured by Viking 1 in 1976, shows a large formation resembling a human face on the Martian surface. NASA explained this as a natural rock formation affected by shadows and lighting, but the image remains iconic. In 2014, the Curiosity rover photographed an object resembling a bone. While NASA dismissed it as a uniquely shaped rock eroded by Martian winds, many believe it could be a remnant of an ancient life form. Similarly, images of pyramid-like structures have fueled speculation that intelligent beings once inhabited Mars. These formations appear too geometrically precise to be natural, leading some to theorize that they were built by small alien beings. One of the most debated findings came in 2014, when a photo showed light emanating from beneath a Martian rock. Alien researchers interpreted this as evidence of underground activity on Mars, suggesting the presence of advanced civilizations. NASA has remained cautious, attributing the phenomenon to reflective surfaces or camera anomalies. The most intriguing evidence comes from studies suggesting Mars was once Earth-like, with vast oceans and a habitable climate. Signs of ancient riverbeds and underground water reserves indicate that life might have thrived there billions of years ago. Recent discoveries even hint at the possibility of liquid water existing beneath the Martian surface today. Additionally, peculiar structures resembling statues and humanoid figures have been spotted in Mars photos. For instance, in 2016, an image showed a figure resembling a female statue on a distant Martian hill. In 2018, another photo revealed a face-like formation etched into a rock. These findings continue to stir debates among experts and enthusiasts. The rovers have also discovered objects that resemble remnants of advanced machinery. In one instance, a piece resembling an engine part was spotted, partially buried under Martian soil. While NASA attributes this to unusual rock formations, skeptics argue it could be debris from alien technology. Mars is not just a barren planet, it holds clues to a potentially rich past. The question remains, did life exist there, or does it still thrive in some form? For now, the evidence is inconclusive, but every mission brings us closer to answers. As we push the boundaries of exploration, the dream of discovering extraterrestrial life keeps humanity looking to the stars.